Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the CHOVY Silicone Coffee Grinder Cleaning Air Blower. If you're a coffee aficionado like me, you know the importance of keeping your equipment clean for that perfect brew. Let's see if this little gadget lives up to its promises. First off, let's talk about its build. Crafted entirely from high-quality silicone, this air blower is not only durable but also gentle on your precious coffee gear. No scratches or damages here. Plus, its compact size and lightweight design make it a breeze to store and keep handy for whenever those cleaning sessions are due. But what about performance? Well, I'm happy to report that this air blower doesn't disappoint. With its powerful airflow, it effortlessly removes coffee grounds and debris from your grinder and accessories, ensuring they stay in top-notch condition. Say goodbye to those stubborn residues and hello to consistently exceptional coffee. Now, whether you're a professional barista or just a coffee enthusiast in your home kitchen, this tool is a must-have. It's versatile enough for any setting, making it an indispensable accessory for anyone serious about their brew game. In conclusion, the CHOVY Silicone Coffee Grinder Cleaning Air Blower is a winner in my book. It's efficient, gentle on equipment, and incredibly convenient to use. If you want to keep your gear clean and your coffee tasting its best, this little gadget is definitely worth the investment. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.